Hello beauties, that's Beauty Butelezi here. Today we are doing scones. In front of me I have some ingredients. I would like to welcome those who are new to view my channel. Thank you so much for viewing my channel. Today we're gonna go through the ingredients. I have 4 eggs and I have 500 grams of butter. That is the and I have 1 cup of castor sugar and 1 cup of cream and fruits. That's how I normally cut my scones, sometimes, not all the time. while you are cutting the scones, you make sure that your stove you have set your stove, your oven, on 180 degrees. So as you can see, I'm done with cutting the scones. Here is our scones. For now, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna take the scones and then put them on top of the cooling rack so that they can cool a bit. That's what we're gonna do for now. What I'm going to do right now, here I have a lime zest and a little bit of a lemon zest, and we have lemon juice. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take a lemon juice, add some sugar and put it inside the lemon juice. Yeah, beauties, I'm back. Here is our scones. You can see that they look so bold. And again, I promise that when 5 minutes back, I'm gonna show you how to drizzle icing sugar. Here is the mixture of icing sugar with lemon, and then I'm gonna use it to drizzle on top of my scones. And believe me, it's very, very tasty if you do like this. And then you can just leave it maybe for 30 minutes to 20 minutes, and then you enjoy. Thank you so much for viewing my channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Thank you, beauties. Bye bye.